Hi everyone, I'm home. I guess I'll do a haul and unboxing of my purchase that I did not want to purchase, but I had to. So we'll start off with, this is my current laptop. These are my cutie little friends. Love them. But this is a 2017 MacBook Air. She was on her last leg. Okay, she was on her last leg. Being that I just started grad school literally last month, I have to use a lockdown browser again, which I haven't had to use in the past 2 years of undergrad. So I have literally no storage. The fan starts going like after 20 minutes of me using it. She's slow. So yeah, I just had to upgrade, unfortunately. So I had to purchase this bad boy today, and I will say for any student, graduate, or undergraduate, use the education bundle or use your student discount at Apple, please, because it takes off money. And I am trading this one in, so I got like $50 off of this plus my student discount, so it was like a total of like $100 something I got off, which something is better than nothing. And I'm gonna be real with you, I'm a very real individual. We all know that MacBooks are expensive, okay? So I spent about $1,000 today, and I am Mr. Crab with my money. Like, I work so hard that I try to save every penny, nickel, dime that I have worked for. I try to save it and put it in another account. That way I'm not unnecessarily spending money. So needless to say, I'm not buying stuff just for Instagram. I'm buying stuff to further my education and to help me in the long run. I have had this laptop since 2017, and it's now 2025. And it lasted me all throughout high school and all throughout college. And now she is just, she's not having it anymore, okay? And I'm hoping, because this was a 13-inch, that this case can fit on this one until I can get a new one. So I can keep my besties with me at all times. With the education bundle, they give you a free pair of AirPods. So this was a need and not a want, needless to say. So I'm still not happy that I had to spend that much money. But what made it better is that the dude that helped me, he helps me every time I go in there. God, he is so cute, y'all. He's so cute, and I hope he never sees this, because then I'm going to be really embarrassed, because I looked like this going into the Apple store today with my rain boots. Yeah. So they gave me the, what are these? AirPod 4 with noise cancellation. So let's unbox these first. Oh. ASMR. How much were these? $179.
$40. Look.
Oh my God. Apple is a killer. Oh, that's kind of satisfying. Oh, what comes in this? I wonder if they still give you stickers. They don't. What a shame. You guys suck. As I say that, and they just gave me some free AirPods. But were they really free? Nothing in this life is free. Okay, these are the instructions. Baby, I've had AirPods before. I don't need the instructions. No. Do they use a different? Oh, thank God. Oh, okay. Oh, it doesn't even have the thing in there anymore. It's this now. Like, can you see that little light? Oh, now you can see it. Yeah. Ignore my nails. They gotta get done next, but we'll fool with these later. So yeah, I need to find out that guy's name, because he is just too freaking fine to be, and I hope that he does not have a girlfriend. Today I upgraded to this bad boy. It is the 13-inch MacBook Air, and I got the, I think, what color did I get? Okay, it doesn't say it on the box, so let's do a little. How much was this originally? $179. I thought, I don't even want to know. I don't want to know. I don't. It probably would have been more satisfying if this was this way, but we shall open her up and see what she looks like. Okay, I'm gonna put this down. I don't want to break it. Not to mention, let's pause before we even do anything. Y'all, I know that this is a part of Apple's like thing that they have to do when somebody buys an Apple product. Ask me about Apple Care. I just spent damn near $1,000 and you think that I'm about to buy me some Apple Care? Be so for real. I didn't even want to buy this motherfucker and you think I want to buy some Apple Care? No, I take care of my products, okay? Here she is. I think I got the black color. What is it called? Like midnight or something. So let's pull her out. You guys can see it a little bit. All right. Okay. It's kind of cute. Oh, well, that wasn't satisfying, but. And then they didn't even have a case at all on it. Oh, she's actually really cute. I like that. Oh, it's kind of like. Wait a minute. Is this the same color as my phone? No. Because if y'all know, if you have like an older Mac, like the Apple lights up when you turn it on. I don't think my Apple is gonna light up anymore. Okay, are these the same? Y'all let me know. Because they kind of look the same color. Okay, but yeah, this is the one that I got. So let's open her up and see. Oh, look at that. Oh. Let me just. Nice little tissue paper. Thank you. This is so weird. This is so weird. Anyway, we're gonna set this up in a minute. So you have the, boy, I thought there was another pair of AirPods. It's just the plug for the wall. That's on my. Let's get in. I'm so embarrassed. All right, let's get into what's in here. All right, so we got the charger in here. That matches. Oh, that's cute though. It matches the laptop. I can fuck with that. And then the God, my hands are shaking. Ooh, my hands.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Girl, she about to go back to the store. She's about to go back to the store. Do you hear me? So with that, so. All right, well, that's everything that's in the box. Now let's set this bad boy up and see what we've got our hands in right now. All right, y'all, so I'm trying out the noise cancellation on my AirPods. It's like a little difference. Like when I do this, it sounds different. And I'm guessing that's like an auditory. I look like a fucking bird doing this. Let me try it with music. What song should we test out? Yeah, see, this sounds different, like when I'm talking right here. Actually, I got the perfect song. I still can't believe these things are $179. We're gonna see if they're worth it. Biggity bounce, slide, ride. Push it down, push it up, boom, your dynamite. Let me bomb, 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 rock it balboa. I don't know if I'm screaming or not. I really can't tell, but. What you want, boy? Do your thing, bitch. Do your thing, bitch. Do your thing, bitch. Do your thing, bitch. Be like, wait. My ears just look a little good. Oh, whoa, whoa. I like them hot. The ones that don't tell me to stop. Eat dick, swallow the cum, and they know how to pop. I need a project, bitch. A hood rat, bitch. This is when Lil Wayne was in his prime. Okay, yeah. So let's take these out because I'm pretty sure I was yelling. But the verdict on these, I like them. I like the noise cancellation part. The stark difference is that, number one, obviously these are newer, so. But this is the left AirPod generation 1. This is the left AirPod generation, I don't know, 4. I don't know. don't know. I'm not an Apple expert here. So, needless to say, Apple, thank you. Thank you for the AirPods. I really appreciate it. If you want to put me on a PR list, I will gladly appreciate that too. So I don't have to keep spending so much money. Thank you. Seriously though, hit me up. Hit me up. I'm a college student. I need it. And if it makes you feel any better, I'm doing sports medicine, so I work out a lot. And so I would love to do a little Apple workout. And I have a, look, I have Apple. I don't have no Apple Vision Pro, but hey, if you want to supply that to me, I'm not gonna complain. So I'm gonna continue listening to Party Next Door, do homework, and enjoy my new purchases, and kind of figure out everything, what to do with this old laptop and take it off of like my Find My and stuff. So bye guys.